All right, news coming in from the national capital. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced that Delhi is going to start plasma therapy on trial basis to treat COVID-19 patients. Government had asked for permission from the centre. The government of Delhi has now got a nod from the centre for the same, and on trial basis, the government of Delhi is going to start the plasma therapy as far as the patients are concerned. Listen into what the Chief Minister said.
देखा गया कि अगर उसमें कोई और बीमारी हो, जैसे डायबिटीज़ है, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है, सांस की कोई बीमारी है, कैंसर की बीमारी है, तो फिर उसके जीवन के ऊपर संकट आ जाता है और अक्सर कई केसेस में उनकी मौत हो जाती है। ऐसे केसेस में जो सीरियस पेशेंट्स होते हैं, उसमें अगर प्लाज्मा टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल किया जाए तो उनके देखने में आया है कि उनके बचने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं। ऐसा कुछ देशों में देखने को मिला। दिल्ली के हमारे कुछ डॉक्टर्स ने इसके ऊपर काफ़ी अध्ययन किया और इसका ट्रायल करने के लिए तैयारी शुरू की है। अच्छी बात यह है कि परसों हमने केंद्र सरकार से इसका ट्रायल करने के लिए परमिशन मांगी थी और परसों रात को हमें इसकी परमिशन।
Meanwhile, the government of Delhi claims that there has been success of Operation Shield into more hotspots of the national capital, Vasundhara Enclave and Khichripur. Both these places were sealed on 31st March. No new cases of COVID-19 have been reported from these places in the last 15 days. Remember, the government of Delhi had started the Operation Shield, where they had gone on an extensive, in fact, first sealing of the area, then house to house, in fact, contact tracing of the patients. They also had initiated a large-scale sanitation drive and testing operation in these areas. Listen into what the Chief Minister said on this.
दिल्ली में लगभग 57 के करीब हम लोगों ने कंटेनमेंट जोन्स बनाए हैं। जैसे मैं रोज़ बताता हूँ, कंटेनमेंट जोन वो हैं जहाँ पे हमें 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा, अगर किसी कॉलोनी के अंदर हमें या किसी गली के अंदर 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा कोरोना के मरीज़ मिलते हैं, तो उसको हम चारों तरफ से कॉलोनी को सील कर देते हैं। वहाँ के रहने वाले लोगों को बाहर नहीं आने देते और बाहर के लोगों को अंदर नहीं जाने देते, ताकि बीमारी बाहर ना फैले। और तो वहाँ पे फिर हम ऑपरेशन शील्ड चालू करते हैं और इसके अच्छे असर पड़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि दिलशाद गार्डन का हमने देखा कि किस तरह से वो 15-20 दिन हो गए और वहाँ पे कंटेनमेंट जोन में अब एक भी केस नहीं आया। वसुंधरा एनक्लेव में 15 दिन के करीब हो गए हैं इसको भी कंटेनमेंट जोन को बने हुए, अब एक भी केस नहीं आया। खिचड़ीपुर की 3 गलियों को लॉक किया था हम लोगों ने, सील किया था, कंटेनमेंट जोन बनाया था, वहाँ से भी एक भी केस नहीं आया। तो ये अभी तक एक्सपेरिमेंट, अभी हम लोगों का प्रयास सफल रहा है।
Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu, my colleague, joining us with more details on this story. Kamal, relative success there for the government of Delhi. Chief Minister announcing that, but the important thing now would be to ensure that it is ramped up across Delhi, because Delhi at this point of time is the second worst hit state across the country.
Absolutely, Ankit. First of all, slightly better news. Only 17 cases have been reported in the past 24 hours. So their Operation Shield has started working, especially in 2 important areas in East District of Delhi. And now this is extremely crucial because remember, the Mansara apartments is where one case was found in Vasundhara Enclave. 188 homes were actually quarantined. There was a containment zone and Operation Shield. That means sealing was done, home quarantine was done, isolation was done, and then the ASHA workers were sent in, health workers were sent in. So all those particular measures of Shield were taken there, and yes, there is a success because no case in the past 15 days. Similarly, in Khichripur, the similar experiment has actually succeeded. So good news coming in from East District of Delhi. It's extremely important and crucial at a time where Delhi is amongst the worst ranked as far as states are concerned. But considering that there are measures now which are taking place, case, perhaps it can be contained, and the next few days are going to be extremely crucial. We've seen sanitation drives happening across. We've seen containment zones, the numbers being increased to 57. But yes, there are odd stories like the pizza boy story, which has obviously impacted many
Absolutely.
more. So all these have to
And
be taken into account. But remember, the relaxation now is something which has to be watched out for, because now delivery of goods will be done of both essential and non-essential, and the supply lines now have to be sanitized.
Absolutely, and as Kamal was mentioning about the pizza delivery boy story, that is a scare in the national capital. Kamal, thank you. I'm just going to...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.